아, 시원하다. Oh my god, this is so hell delicious. 국물 끝내줘요. Today I just came to eat my favorite food in Korea. The name is 선짓국. Let's go. 안녕하세요. Menu looks also really great. Where is the 선짓국? Let's go eat. 저기요. 선지해장국 하나 주세요. 각두기. 감사합니다. 드디어 왔어요. Try a little bit. 국물 끝내줘요.
국물이 끝내줘요.
This is the black pudding, which is made from the beef's blood. I really like when it's kind of crunchy. It's very delicious. So the way how to eat the 선지국, to put a little bit of kimchi. So the first time when I actually eat the 선짓국, it was with my good friend from Korea. He was talking about the black pudding, but I didn't really believe him. We went to this place and eat the 선짓국. 형님이 시원하다 그렇게 말했어요. I asked him what does it mean, the 시원하다? And he told me that it's kind of relief. So when you eat something and you say 시원하다, then the stress is coming kind of out. In the first time, I didn't have that feeling, but now when I am in Korea for the longer time, I know what it means. 시원하다. 아, 시원하다. Oh my god, this is so hell delicious. You can eat this with another way, or actually this is the best way. When you eat with the rice, you just put the rice inside of the soup. So when you don't have no more the vegetables and noodles and you ate all the 선지, you just basically take the rice and you put it in there. You just pop it in and you go again. So, and when you're done with the rice, you mix it properly with the rice and you go again. 진짜 맛있어요. It's like a heaven right now. 끝까지 맛있어요. 배부르다. You don't have to be scared of anything. It's very delicious dish. It might sound a little bit weird. It's a blood, but don't get scared of it. You can eat it. 안 죽어요. 안 죽어. Free ice cream. 먹어야죠.